Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the GeekBench Mark 5 test on the Oneplus 11R device. So this is a Oneplus 11R device after day 1 after the unboxing, and this is my day 1 of using the Oneplus 11R, and I did not install any kind of much applications at this moment. And the Oneplus 11R, which has got the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, and now I'm going to do the GeekBench Mark 5 test on this device. And next time I'll definitely do the GeekBench Mark 6 as well on this Oneplus 11R device. So stay tuned for more updates on this benchmark test and everything. All the links will be available in the description below regarding the Oneplus 11R. And please make sure to hit that like and subscribe, and also follow my channel regularly for more updates on this Oneplus 11R device. So let's get started with this GeekBench Mark 5 test results. So right now, as you can see, this is the overall single core and the multi-core test results in the Oneplus 11R device, as you can see. So single core and the multi-core, so without using any kind of high performance mode. Now I'm going to use the high performance mode and then again do the testing. Then we'll try to compare the before and after results. Is there any improvement or not? So let's do the high performance mode test, the GeekBench Mark. So finally friends, this is the overall GeekBench Mark 5 scores after unboxing on the day 1 of usage. So using with the high performance mode, we got slightly more test results. So with high performance mode and without high performance mode. So definitely there is a huge difference regarding the performance in this Oneplus 11R with and without high performance mode. So thank you for watching. Until instead of more updates, in case if you have the questions, let me know in the comment section below. Until then, stay tuned, signing off, and bye.